House in Vilnius by Architectural Bureau G.Natkevicius and Partners in Vilnius, Lithuania. The non-standard L-shaped plot, which is accessed by a cobbled street, is located in the center of the capital of Lithuania, the largest city in Lithuania. However, this place exudes the atmosphere of a small town. The transition from the city center to authentic wooden single-story houses with balconies and carved wooden finishes in just a few minutes by car is peculiar and fascinating. It feels like you are in the old town of a small town. The client of the project is one of the most famous Lithuanian designers, representatives of the Art Guild, and a family of artists. The artistic community sought a unique design for the house, making the task quite challenging. The house had to fit seamlessly into the overall authentic, small-town context while meeting heritage requirements and harmonizing with the surroundings, as the plot is next to a significant historical and cultural object, the old Bernardine Cemetery. The house has sharp, almost invisibly interconnected triangular forms. It stands out with modern shapes and subtle colors. The compositional idea of the house is a large piece of wood, seemingly cut with an axe, with the incisions shining with glass. These are huge windows that provide light to the space and let in the greenery of the environment, the transformation of nature. These cutouts give the house an interesting structure, creating small spaces, alcoves, and mini terraces. The building consists of a solid wooden wall, the roof is also wooden, and those cutouts showcases fragment and focus the gaze on those incisions. Different views are revealed even when inside, creating very diverse atmospheres. The structure of the house is intriguing. It is single-story, but one part of it, the master's bedroom, is elevated to allow a broader view through the windows. The facades are not created through architectural details, but rather a unified pattern of cut beam sprouts. There is nothing else on both the roof and the walls, only wooden beams and glass showcases. The first floor of the house is mostly occupied by the common kitchen and living area, with access to both terraces. The architects designed a furniture block that separates the kitchen and living room, a wardrobe with mirrored doors and kitchen furniture. These work surfaces are made of steel. The second floor of the house is accessed by concrete stairs and houses the owner's bedroom, a bathroom, and a dressing room.